In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to only allow admins to send messages in a messenger group. This is really useful if you're running an announcement channel, a class group, a community update space, or any situation where you want members to read updates but not reply directly in the group. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, your group will be set up so that only admins can post messages. First, open your Messenger app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account that's an admin of the group you want to manage. This setting only works if you're an admin, so if you don't see some of the options I mention, double-check that you have admin rights in that group. Next, go to the specific group chat you want to control. You can find it in your list of conversations. Tap on the group to open the chat like you normally would. Once you're in the conversation, you're going to look for the group settings area. On most phones, you do this by tapping the group name or the little info icon at the top of the screen. That will open the group details page. On the group details page, you'll see options like nicknames, theme, emoji, and people in the chat. Scroll down until you find something like chat settings or member permissions. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your app version, but you're looking for the section that controls who can post or send messages. Inside those permissions or admin controls, look for an option that manages who can send messages in the group. It may be labeled along the lines of Who can send messages or Send messages permission. Tap that option, and you'll see choices such as Everyone or Only admins. Select Only admins. Once you confirm that, the setting will update for the entire group. From this point on, only admins will be able to send new messages in that group chat. Regular members will still be able to see everything that's posted, but they won't be able to reply directly in the group thread. It's a good idea to post a quick announcement after changing this setting, letting everyone know that the group has been switched to admin-only messaging and where they should contact you if they have questions, such as through a private message. And that's it. You've now successfully set up your Messenger group so only admins can send messages.